Greetings and salutations. This is Kathy Lanham, and I'm so pleased you're here for another episode of The Savvy Side Hustler, the place to be if you want to develop your gifts and your skills and talents, maybe shorten that road to success just a little bit. I'm all about giving you tips and tricks to help you develop and to explore your unique gifts and talents, because I truly believe they are unique to you. And in today's episode, we are covering an awesome topic, 10 life hacks to help you have an incredibly productive day. So 10 hacks, and who cannot use more life hacks? So I hope you'll grab your journal and a pen and take some notes as we go through this fun little topic. All right, I promised you 10 life hacks. So here we go, straight off the bat with number one. The number one life hack I have for you on making sure that your day is absolutely awesome is don't hit the snooze button. Now, I know that's not rocket science, but it's so true. I used to be a 4 snoozer. I would hit the first one that was like, oh, okay, somewhere outside this window, it's daytime. And then the second was like, all right, I really need to think about getting up. The third one was like, wonder if the coffee's ready yet. And then by the fourth one, I'm hitting it, I'm getting up, and I'm going to go get my cup of coffee. Don't do that. Don't be the snoozer. That absolutely used to drive my husband crazy because he's a one alarmer. The alarm goes off, he hits it, he's up, and he's going. Maybe the reason he's president and CEO of his own company. But anywho, so that's a system, that's a little bitty life hack, a little bit of tweak to your day that you can do that I absolutely promise you will help you get started going and moving earlier than you would have. My number 2 is make your bed. Now, not with your husband or your significant other still in it, but make your bed. I'm going to give you a link here to the general who first proposed this, or the first time that I heard it. And it is a way of telling your brain, clicking your brain, making it have an accomplishment, an achievement early in the day. It's very simple, but it gives you that feeling of empowerment, which is what these life hacks are all about. So make your bed. Number 3, read aloud your affirmations. Now, if you don't have your affirmations written out, let me help you with that. You need to. So your affirmations are your truths about yourself and your business that's going to help you propel yourself to success. It's like building into your day your own little success mind. I mean, it's what it is basically. So these are the truths about yourself and your business. You know you have vision. You know you have passion. You know you have a why that's going to change people's lives. So read that out loud and affirm it to yourself, because all day long you're going to find people that say no, that don't believe in your dream. And here's a tip, that's okay. It's not their dream. It's your dream. So affirm that. Remind yourself of why you're doing what you're doing, and then go forward with that. And then the next one, now this is not a big one either, but it is critical. And it's number 4. Get dressed all the way down to your shoes. Now, I know the whole big deal about having a laptop lifestyle and working from home is that you can stay in your pajamas all day long with your little fuzzy bunny slippers if you want. But I'm going to suggest to you and put forth to you that if you get dressed, head all the way down to your shoes, that signals your brain that you really are in work mode, that it's time to succeed. It's time to be awesome and incredible and then do some amazing things. You can do that in your pajamas and your yoga pants, but I think you maybe could do it just a little bit better if you're looking for ways to be a little more productive. I'm going to offer that one up to you as one that you should do. Now, my next one is a fun one, and that is find your color. And what I mean by that, by find your color, is if you typically and routinely wear a certain color of lipstick, find yourself another one that's going to bump it up a notch, one that's going to say, whoo, I am here, I'm ready to crush some goals, and I'm ready to be amazing. Now, if you don't wear it, then that's fine. Go get yourself a nude or a colored lip gloss. So this is just the simple act of when you put it on, it's saying again to your brain, I'm in a whole different place here. I am looking hot, sexy and I'm ready to crush. Now, my normal is your blushing berry. But when I'm really going to work, when I'm going to do a video, when I'm going to meet people, I switch to blazing lava. Now, isn't that cool? What fun name. So blushing berry is fine. That's my everyday. That's my go-to. That's so I don't get chapped lips. But my blazing lava says, I'm here to be awesome. So that's just a fun little thing for you to do. Another thing, if you're guys watching this, and I'll set those down. If you're a guy here watching this and you don't wear lipstick, or maybe you do, no judgment-free zone. That's you do you. That's good. But another is aromatherapy. So for myself, it's Little Belle Cherie. Now I have 3 different perfumes I wear. One is for, okay, I'm trying to get my sexy on. You know, even Stella got her groove back. So that's one perfume. Then I have another one for just general day wear. But my kick butt, gonna be awesome and amazing and fabulous today is my Little Belle Cherie. Now the reason is I earned an incentive trip to Opio-en-Provence in France. And that beautiful Opio-en-Provence trip was amazing. We had the charming little medieval villages. We went to a perfumery. And in that perfumery, I made the investment in myself to purchase it. Now, this is the real stuff. It's not like toilet water. This is the real stuff. So when I give myself a little spritz with this, and I happen to have it on today, that reminds me, see, even just doing that, it reminds me of the amazing people, those women that I work with, that it's possible to set a goal, to have a dream, and to achieve it, and that this is a day just like that. It's not just another day. It's a day I'm going to show up, I'm going to work, and I'm going to be amazing. So that's my suggestion. If you have a fragrance, do yourself a little aromatherapy. Maybe it's a candle. Maybe it's just your color combined with your outfit. Whatever you do there, that's going to be my suggestion there. Number 6, get yourself a kick butt playlist. Now, it doesn't matter if it's recorded on your phone, on your music list, your Spotify, your Pandora, whatever it is, get yourself a playlist that motivates and works for you. So, research if you're a creative, if you want to be in a creative mode, maybe today's a day that you're going to write a lot of content, or you're going to paint, or you're going to create, then classical music is probably a good choice for you. Let's say that being fabulous means that you need a Zen kind of atmosphere going on, and you need to bring that in your life. Then that's on your playlist. I'm going to share my Spotify link for you here, which is it's mine. It speaks to me. It motivates me. Maybe it'll work for you. I don't know, but you're welcome to try it out. Okay, so number 6, get yourself a kick butt playlist. Number 7 is check your IPA. And I'm not talking about your little craft beer section. No, we ain't drinking early in the morning. What it means is write down your income producing activities. What are the things you need to do this day to make money? And I am not talking about scrolling through your Facebook feed so that you can give the, hey girl, hadn't talked to you in a while, or hey girl, I think you'd be fabulous in my business. Not talking about those. I'm talking about the things, the people that you can meet face to face, the things that you can finish and wrap up and produce that are going to be income producing activities. Now, I'll give you a link here as well to my Take Tomorrow Today training in case you haven't done that one. Just has some tips on how you can align your mind before you go to bed. So that's number 7. Number 8 is to exercise. Hello, that's no big surprise to people. Exercise. It creates those success endorphins. It helps you go in your headspace to this is a good thing. It gets you up out of your chair and moving every hour if that's how you choose to do it. So I'm not saying that you have to have a gym membership. I'm not saying to make this complicated, and I'm not saying overthink it. I'm like, if you are a busy mom with little kids, let's just do some squats to pick up clothes. Let's don't lean over. Let's do squats. Let's take care of your back. Do some squats to pick those kiddos up. Maybe it's that you're way overweight and you are going to make a trip to the refrigerator. Okay, well, how about if you make 2 trips and you don't open the refrigerator door? Just things you can do to add movement in your day, keep the blood flow going, give yourself a few little endorphins to help you think positively and successfully. And then number 9, I like to hook with number 8, and that is to plan for your own personal development, to add that into your day, to make a date with yourself, to improve yourself. even 1%. And I hooked that with number 8 because it's an easy habit. That's another little tip and trick. That's always hard to say those two together. But to hook it together with another habit. So my habit of exercise is in the morning after I've not hit the snooze. I've gotten up. I'm going down to do my workout. So I put a podcast on. So who do you listen to? Who do you read? Who pours life and value into you? Put it on there and then do 2 things at one time. Another thing on that, and this actually ties back to number 8, the exercise, is let's say that you have a conference call, and of course we're doing that more and more these days, or you have a coaching call, or you're going to encourage somebody, or your mama calls you from where she's at. Walk and talk. Do stairs, and everybody that's ever had a phone conversation with me, anybody that I've ever coached, usually says, "What are you doing? You sound out of breath." And I'm like, "Well, yeah, I thought this was a great time to take a walk." And so, I'll lap my neighborhood or whatever. So you can hook those 2 together and you can feel that triple sense of success because you're walking, you're talking, you're coaching, you're getting things done. So, or you're feeding your soul. So that's a good thing. And then number 10, hear a little acronym coming. Woo, woo, like a P to the A to the S and the S. Yeah. Channeling my Marie Forleo vibe there. But number 10 is decide to be awesome. You get to decide that. Or actually, it's the acronym is PASS. Decide to pass on negativity and failure. So when you P, have a positive outlook that automatically ups your energy. I have people say that to me. "Oh, I wish I had your energy." I don't necessarily have that much energy, but I am positive and optimistic. So you get to decide what your thoughts are. You get to rein them in. You get to take control and take captive the ones that are wrong. And then A is your awesome factor. Decide that not only are you going to be positive, but that you're going to be awesome and that you bring something nobody else brings. And I truly believe that to be true. And then your next S is savvy. You're here, the place to be if you want to be a more savvy side hustler. I've got a little training on how to do your schedule your day and to be savvy. But in addition to being savvy, I want you to be spectacular. Spectacular is so much more than be special or be sensational. Spectacular means there's not another firecracker like you. And then that's my last point as I close it all up and bring it in. 10 little life hacks to an absolutely great, amazing, and productive day. There you have it. But the best one is to be you. To be the best version of you that you can be, to be bold, to bring your A game, and to do the things that you do that bless others. And I like to always say that if you go bless others, you can't help but be blessed yourself. So go be a blessing today. And speaking of that, it would be a blessing to me if you've gotten some value out of this. If you would like it, share it with your friends. That is the highest compliment. If you find value and you can share it with somebody, thank you for that. And then hit the subscribe button if that's a thing you do. If you wouldn't mind, if you hit the subscribe button, that would be an awesome blessing as well. And for more like this, you can always check me out over at KathyLanham.com. I'm Kathy. Thanks for stopping in. Have a great day.